Welcome to Tool Time at Kitchen Conservatory. First, let's make a simple syrup. So I have in here 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of water. I have it on high, and I'm going to bring the sugar and water to a boil so that the sugar gets dissolved. The reason we do this is so that our sugar is not grainy, but is smooth. And why do we want a simple syrup? Because we're going to make a mint julep. And so here is some fresh mint. And the best way to strip mint off is to hold it by the top of the stem here and pull backwards, and then only the leaves will come off and not the stem. And of course, in a good mint julep, you want lots of mint leaves because that's what gives such flavor to it. So I push in a bunch of mint into my glass. There are other cocktails that also involve a good mint flavor. It adds so much to mojitos and other types of cocktails, but we'll push in our mint here. The mint julep has a particular style which is kind of fun to do. So there's a good amount of mint. And then I'm going to take with my shot glass, measure out some bourbon and put that down in there. And this is a muddler, and I'm going to muddle the mint in with the bourbon. And it's very important to muddle mint because that's what extracts the flavor of the mint to give you a potent taste for your julep. And now the amount of sugar to add can vary. And here is our simple syrup, which I can add in here. Now that the sugar has dissolved and I put in the simple syrup to taste, I muddle in the mint. Now the next thing that I need to put in here is to fill the glass with ice. And of course, to drink a mint julep, you want a mint julep spoon because this is a straw spoon that you drink out at the top, but it takes it from the bottom. And the reason you want that is because when you fill it with ice, you don't want to get just ice while you drink it. You want to drink from the bottom of the glass, which is what this spoon enables you to do, so you can drink it from the bottom. I just want to make sure my sugar and bourbon ratio is right before I put the ice in. And then to clean the straw spoons, we have a special straw spoon cleaner, which is this little unit here to clean it. We make cooking fun at the Kitchen Conservatory.